Printify announced a huge shipping price update on hundreds of different products. So in this video, I'll show you where to find the information to see if your products that you sell from Printify need to be updated on your Etsy listings. I'll give you 3 options of what to do if they are getting an increase. And this is actually the first Talk Shop Tuesday with Cassie, where I actually answer your questions in a YouTube video every Tuesday. So this first one is from Julia. And if you have any questions that you have that you want me to make a video about, put that in the comments below, and I'll be making videos every single Tuesday answering your questions. So here's the document that Printify emailed out, and I'll put a link to it down in the description if you want to check this out as well and see if your item is on here. So it's a big, huge document, which you can actually right-click on the table and export it as a CSV file if you're more comfortable with Google Sheets, but you can also just check everything in here. So there's a few different options for finding your product. The first is by category. So let's say you sell mugs, you can actually type in mugs and actually click the only button. That way you only see mugs. And to get out of this, you just click back on the table. So this is going to pull up all of the mugs. The other way that you can search is if I turn that back off, you can search by print provider. If there's a specific print provider you use, you can sort by region. So if you only sell products that are created in the United States, then you can type in United States only, for example. And then the last one that I think is a little tricky is if you want to search for a specific product. The way you need to actually search by the product is by the title on Printify. So for example, you can't just type in like 1717 for a comfort color shirt. You would actually need to find that product in the catalog. So here you can see the comfort color shirt's title is actually unisex garment dyed t-shirt. So if you copy that and actually paste it here for the specific product, now you can click only and you can see that specific product. So let's look at this one for example. So for the Comfort Colors 1717 shirt, you can see that there was one increase for the standard shipping method. The only other increases were on the economy shipping method. If you don't know the difference between economy shipping and standard shipping, now is a really important time to look at that and know if you are actually using one over the other, because this is going to affect if your shipping prices have actually gone up. So the economy shipping is a newer option that Printify came out with last year that takes longer. So this takes 4 to 8 business days for your item to actually get delivered to your customer, and that is for $3.99. The standard is $4.75, so 75 cents more, but it gets delivered in 2 to 5 business days. Now, personally, I like my items to get delivered as quick as possible. I find a lot of customers wanting it even faster than I can deliver it, and sometimes processing times get extended already. So I always like to go with the standard shipping option. So make sure you know which one you're actually using in your store so that you can better understand if your shipping price is going up. So for example, again, we just saw that it was 75 cents more for shipping for standard. So now that difference is actually going to be a lot closer. So the economy shipping for SwiftPOD, for example, used to be $3.99. Now it's actually going up $4.29. So now it's a 30-cent increase in that shipping cost. You can also sort this document by which ones had the largest price change, which you can see the biggest changes that it's affected are on the John Doe matte canvas frames from Australia have seen huge increases in their shipping costs, up to $129. You can also sort by which ones have had the least shipping price changes, and some have actually gone down. So if you sell pillows from MWW or some items like sweatshirt blankets, velveteen microfiber blankets, some of those shipping costs have actually gone down, which is great news. And also good news if you sell hats, a bunch of hats actually went down by 10 cents in shipping costs. So in that case, I probably wouldn't really make any changes to the pricing of your items on Etsy, but it is a fun thing and good news to know. But what if your item did see a decent enough increase in the shipping charge that you want to update it? Let's talk about 3 different options that you have and how to actually update those efficiently in your store. Coming over here to Etsy, I'll be using my digital download mockup store for today's example. The first option to update is your actual shipping profile. So you can either click into one of your listings and go down to the shipping profile, or you can come to settings, go to shipping settings, and then here on this page, you can edit all of your shipping profiles if you like. You can click this edit button and you can increase the cost of your shipping right here for one item, additional items, etc. The second option I think would be a really good one if your shipping price increased by say like 30 cents, 50 cents, something under $1, then I would actually just wait until those items sell and raise them by $1. So let's say this listing just sold, I would just click this little box right here, click editing options, edit prices, and you can just increase by $1. So if you're selling something with a lot of variations like phone cases or shirts, it would actually just increase everything in the order by $1. It is important to know that if you have a sale that you run in your store, then you do need to factor that in when you're updating your price, because the sale would also get applied to this. So for example, if you run a 50% off sale in your store, you'd have to raise the price by $2 to actually raise it by $1, just for simple math. And the third option, if you do want to make a big price change, is that you don't have to raise the price of just your shipping. You can actually raise the price of your items. So let's say, for example, you had an item that the shipping price got increased by $2 or $3. Then you don't really want to raise your shipping price to more than $5.99, because Etsy says that they are going to prioritize listings with shipping costs under $5.99. So that means if you want to raise yours and you already have a higher shipping cost, you could build some of that back into the price of the item. A pretty easy way to do that is you could search for that item type. So let's say it was ornaments. You could search for ornaments in your store, and then you can edit all of those in bulk. So if it's a certain product type, you can click select all right here. You can even select your entire store if you'd rather, and then you can do the same bulk update where you can click editing options, edit prices, and then here you can increase by $2, $3, whatever amount makes the most sense for you. I hope you found this video super helpful, and don't forget that I linked the article from Printify down in the description, so you can click it and find out if you need to raise your shipping costs or not. And don't forget to leave your questions down in the comments if you want your questions made into a YouTube video on one of our next Talk Shop Tuesdays.